Today, I will review the book The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. The secret is the marvelous miracle working power found in your subconscious mind, and the last place that most people would seek it. Within your subconscious depths lie infinite wisdom, infinite power, and infinite supply of that is necessary, which is waiting for development and expression. The infinite intelligence within your subconscious mind can reveal to you everything you need to know at every moment of time. The law of your mind is the law of belief. You are a gardener and you are planting seeds, thoughts in your subconscious mind all day long based on your habitual thinking. As you sow in your subconscious mind, so shall you reap in your body and environment. I began to repeat frequently with feelings. I am wanted. I am happily married to a kind, loving, and spiritual mankind man. I am secure. Your subconscious mind is like the soil which accepts any kind of seed, good or bad. Your thoughts are active. Negative thoughts, destructive thoughts continually to work negatively in your subconscious mind. So be careful with your negative thoughts. You must make certain to give your subconscious only suggestion which heal, bless, elevate, and inspire you in all your ways. Never say I can't. Overcome that fear by substituting the following: I can do all things through the power of my subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind responds to the thought in your mind. Look upon faith as a thought in your mind. Decide what belief is. Know that belief is a thought in your mind, and what you think, you create it. He constantly imagines the teacher and his mother congratulating him on his success in his studies. He is now receiving all A's. Whatever a man sow, that shall he reap.